What's going on, YouTube? Here to come at you with a quick little overview video of my new 780 compound miter saw I picked up. Never owned a compound miter saw or even a miter saw in general, so this was pretty much the best one that DeWalt had to offer. As you see, it does have a light inside. There is no laser like some of the other ones. It creates that little line shadow right there, and it seems to be very accurate. I've done several cuts for some trim work inside the house. So the DeWalt blade is pretty sharp for now. Until it wears out, probably upgrade with the Diablo blade eventually. And then everything was already squared up. I had straight out of the factory. If it's at 0, it's at 0. If it's at 45 degrees, it's at 45. So that was pretty nice of DeWalt to do. As you can tell, this is a compound miter saw. Loosen up the back. Very smooth. Oh, that was hit the wall. It does go a little bit farther back. And then loosen the back. Turn it. And now we can tilt this. Got the thing on the other side, my bad. I'm trying to hold this with my phone. So if I remove some of the other stuff, it will do 45 degrees. Gotta remove the one stop right there. And then I gotta remove this. Okay, the stop was moved, so it's just hitting the guard right here. Gotta loosen this up and slide these part of the fence over. Got little handles built into the side, which I probably will be removing because this thing is going to go into a roll-around workbench with my DeWalt. I forgot what the number it is. Well, my table saw that I got. And it does come with a little little removable clamp assembly. And we'll do a quick cut real quick, just to show you. See if I can hold this thing down. Give me a second, guys. So we're just going to remove the fence over here. So clamp down. Obviously, if I didn't have a cell phone, I would be holding this a lot better. We're going to put this back at center at 0 degrees. She's locked into place right at 0. She has like a detent. Now we're going to tighten the back down. So this is loose, and then to store it, got the push pin. Like so. To get it unlocked, you just push down a little bit, pull out. Now you have access to the saw. And here we go. It's not very loud either. It's actually surprisingly pretty quiet. And it does have a locked, like an extra safety feature on the trigger, and you can lock this out. Keep your kids out of it. Here we go. It's got a lot of torque on it. You see, as soon as I let it off, it made me drop it down, and as soon as I start it. So definitely keep your hands clear of this thing. It's got some torque on it. But straight out of the gate, perfect cuts. I would expect so for a saw of this price. And then I guess we can do 45-degree cut. Either way, we'll do 15 degrees. So we're at 15 degrees. Tighten that down. And here we go. So there's 15 degrees. Perfect. Well, guys, just for maybe an hour's worth of work, I've used this thing for some interior trim. All of the new trim I've done in one of my bedrooms where we are remodeling, the trim lines up better than whoever did the trim last time, before I bought my house. So, definitely worth the investment. I got this on sale for, well, before tax and shipping, just under 500 bucks. Awesome saw, highly recommend it. Hopefully this will last me many years, so I don't have to buy another one. So anyways, later guys.